Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you to connect to server in your VPN app. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already downloaded VPN app in your device. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Watch this video till the end so you can easily connect to the server using VPN. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your VPN app. Here I go. Here I'm using Turbo VPN app. After you open the app, you can see the not connected option. Now you have to tap on that option. You can see that I'm connected to the server now. In this way, you can easily get connected to the server using VPN. Also, you can change the server if you want to. But VPN will provide you the fastest service as it can. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.